Hello friends, welcome to today's session on arithmetic progressions. In this session I am going to explain a 10th question for you from exercise 5.3, page number 113, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So let's read the question first. Show that a1, a2, so on till an form an AP where an is defined as below. So he has given two formats for an. First problem is an is equal to 3 plus 4n and second format is an is equal to 9 minus 5n. So we have to find out whether this format of series, this series forms arithmetic progression. If it forms an arithmetic progression, we have to find the sum of the first 15 terms in each case. So let's take the first part. An is equal to a plus 3 plus 4n. So a1 becomes, we'll find out a1, a2, a3 and so on till an, right? So we'll find out a1, a2 and a3 and see if the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. That is, the d remains constant. If there is a common difference, then we'll call that series arithmetic progression. So a1 becomes, a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. That is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. So a1 is 7. a2 becomes 3 plus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 is 11. a3 becomes 3 plus 4 into 3. That is equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 3. That is equal to 15. So now I got the series like a1, a2, a3, right? 7, 11, 15, so on till an is 3 plus 4n. Now let's check the difference between the two consecutive terms is constant. That is, an plus 1 minus an should remain constant. First let's find out a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1 is equal to 11 minus 7. That is equal to 4. Now let's find out a3 minus a2. That is equal to 15 minus 11. That is equal to 4. So here we see that the difference between the two consecutive terms, that is 7, 11 and 7 and 15 and 11 is constant. So that's why we will call this series an arithmetic progression. And the common difference is 4. So for this series, the first term a is equal to, a1 is equal to 7 and the common difference d is equal to 4. Now we have to find out the sum of the first 15 terms. We know the formula for Sn, right? Sum of the first n terms of the arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we'll substitute the values of n, a and d in this equation and calculate the sum of the first 15 terms. S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into a is 7 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into d is 4. It is equal to 15 by 2 into 7 2s are 14 plus 14 4s are 56. That is equal to 15 into 70 by 2. 15 7s are 105. 1050 divided by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. That is equal to 525. So the sum of the first 15 terms of this arithmetic progression is S15 is equal to 525. Hope this is clear for you. In the similar way, we will prove that an is equal to 9 minus 59 as arithmetic progression. So it's given in the second problem, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. We have to prove this series forms an arithmetic progression. So let's find out a1 value. a1 becomes 9 minus 5 into 1, that is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4. a2 becomes 9 minus 5 into 2, that is equal to 9 minus 10, that is equal to minus 1. a3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3, that is equal to 9 minus 15, that is equal to minus 6. Now let's find out the difference between the two consecutive terms. So an plus 1 minus an should remain constant if the above series is an arithmetic progression. This is the condition for arithmetic progression for an AP. So a2 minus a1 becomes minus 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 5. And a3 minus a2 becomes minus 6 minus of minus 1, that is equal to minus 5. So a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a2. So this is an arithmetic progression. And the common difference d is equal to minus 5. And the value of first term a is equal to 4. Now we have to find out the sum of the first 15 terms in this series. S15. We know the formula of Sn, right? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now let's substitute the values in this equation. S15 becomes 15 by 2 into 2a is 2 into 4 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into common difference d is minus 5. That is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 minus 14 5 is 70. That is equal to 15 by 2 into 70 minus 8 is minus 62. That is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are minus 31 into 15. That is equal to 15 1s are 15, 15 3s are 45 and 46 minus 465. So this is the sum of the first 15 terms of this arithmetic progression. S15 is equal to minus 465. Hope this is clear for you. I'll explain this problem once again. He has given two sequences. An is equal to a plus 3, a3 plus 4n, an is equal to 9 minus 5n. We have to prove these two sequences are arithmetic progressions, and after that we have to find the sum of the first 15 terms of this arithmetic progression. So we have calculated a1, a2 and a3 in this series, and then proved that the difference between the consecutive terms an plus 1 minus an is constant. That is equal to, in the first case it has become 4. That is, the common difference d is equal to 4. And then I have calculated the value of sum of the first 15 terms. So I got the answer as 525. In the similar way I have solved the second series. So we have proved that both the series are arithmetic progressions and have calculated the sum of the first 15 terms in this series. Hope this is clear for you. Please refer to other videos for more solved questions in this exercise, and please subscribe and share the videos. And that's all for this session. Until then, see you.